Good morning all. Welcome all. Audio video clear? Respond in the chat please whether the audio video is clear. Let me just check. Good morning all. Yeah, the audio video is clear. So let us start. So today we are discussing the topic Venn diagrams. Yeah, today I'm not using the studio setup as I am not in Bangalore, so I cannot access the studio now as I'm in Chennai now. So when I'm back to Bangalore, we will continue the classes through the studio. I want to make sure that before your exam the topics are over. That is why I'm taking with not the studio setup with this laptop itself, but that will be equally interesting itself because I have prepared slides for you instead, so that without studio also you get proper learning without the interactive screen also. Okay, so let us start, and please invite your friends. This session is equally useful for GATE aspirants and other competitive exam aspirants because as many other topics, this is a common topic in most competitive exam, especially CSIR exam. Many questions have came from this topic. So invite all your friends, whichever stream they are. GATE exam 29 streams, aptitude section is common. So all streams, this session is common. Engineering stream, pure science stream. So invite all your friends who are preparing for GATE exam, NET exam or any other competitive exam. Those people who want to learn Venn diagrams, please invite them very fast. For the new people, this is the bio of me and this is the details of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. You can, in the description of this video, you can get more information about this free resources and the study material of each class I provide in this Telegram channel dedicated for GATE exam. That is there in the description of this video. The link to access that Telegram channel is there. Clicking on that link, you can get the free study material, the notes, homework questions and extra practice questions for helping you to learn better. So make use of that also. And CSIR-NET aspirants, this is our current bestseller book available for CSIR-NET Part A section. I'm the author of that book also. Okay, so let us start today's topic, Venn diagrams. I hope all of you know what is a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a tool that is used to represent sets. So the history of Venn diagram is Euler. The Swiss mathematician Euler actually introduced first Euler diagram, and later it was modified by John Venn, who was a logician, and that is the current Venn diagram we use. And Venn diagram, a circle represents a certain set. The inside of the circle represents the elements that are in the set, while the area outside the circle represents a complement. In this course itself, when I taught you syllogisms, I already discussed about Venn diagram. I hope you remember that. सिलोजिज्म चैप्टर में हम वेन डायग्राम के बारे में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है, लेकिन आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट, दैट इज द क्वेश्चंस वेयर set related questions where Venn diagram can be used to solve it better. That kind of questions we are first discussing. So yeah, Venn diagram, these are few examples of Venn diagram, or these are few examples of how sets can be represented using Venn diagram. Like A union B, a set A and a set B, the union of A and B is represented by this shaded region through this Venn diagram. Because A union B means A and B dono chahiye. Like coffee drinking people in this class, tea drinking people in this class. So coffee or tea drinking people is the union. That means coffee drinking people also we need, tea drinking also we need. Coffee drinking means coffee only drinking is there, tea only drinking is there. Coffee and tea drinking people also should be included in the coffee union tea. A union B. I hope all of you understood what is A union B. And what is A intersection B? Intersection means the common area. Intersection of two set A and B is a set of all elements that are both in A and B. Like coffee drinking people in this class or coffee loving people. If I ask who all like coffee, they will be in this yellow set. Who all like tea, they will be in this blue set. But who like both tea and coffee will be in this area. Now that is called intersection. If coffee loving people is 40 number of people in this class and tea loving people is 30 number of people. Am I audible now? Then let's continue. Okay, so If coffee loving people is 14 in this class and 30 people are tea loving people, coffee and tea loving people is 10. What is the meaning of coffee or tea loving people? Coffee or tea loving people or coffee union tea will be, tea set will be the number of people who like coffee, number of people who like coffee only, that will be in this yellow region. Number of people who like tea only, that will be in this blue region. And number of people in both coffee and tea. But remember, this 40 is actually this full circle element number. So 40 minus 10, 30 will be coffee only liking people. 30 minus 10, 20 only will be tea only loving people. So this 30 plus 20 plus 10 will be the coffee union tea. 30 plus 20, that is 50 plus 10, 60. Or in other words, we can say that is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Where N of A is full elements in the first circle, N of B is full elements in the second circle, N of A intersection B will be the intersection is respond. Am I audible now? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll show you one or two questions. Try this question first so that you can get a practice of Venn diagram identification of different objects in Venn diagram. First we will do. After that we will go to more questions, more gate exam questions also. Try this first. I'll give you 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes like we normally do. Try it all of you and post the answer in the chat. I'll come in a minute. Any answers? Let me check. B option many of you got. So here doctors, circle represents doctors, this is doctors, and triangle represents artist, and rectangle represents players. Doctors, players and artist, all the three intersection we need. Intersection it is. The triangle, square, triangle, rectangle and circle intersection is what you need. That is clearly this region 4 na. That is inside rectangle also, inside triangle also, inside circle also. That is why 4, that is option B is the correct answer. Most of you got option B itself, so I think it is totally clear. All of you clear now? If so, now let's see a GATE exam question, GATE 2016 problem. Make a try, all of you. A simple question, checking your basic understanding of knowing a Venn diagram or understanding, interpreting a Venn diagram. Yeah, I don't know why today's crowd is comparatively less. Hope you all have invited your friends. We want more crowd actually. In a very tight schedule and very bad thought, I'm taking this session. because I want to make sure that your topics are covered and more people are getting benefited. So make sure your friends are also invited today's class and in the upcoming classes. Just because February first week is your exam, I am doing hours training of my throat and my health. So make sure your friends are invited in these sessions. Don't know, is it because notification people haven't got? Okay, some of you got an answer. Okay, so I'll start explaining. The Venn diagram shows the preference of the student population for leisure activities. From the given data, the number of students who like to read books or play sports. Read books or play sports. It is not and, it is or. The word used is or play sports. मतलब books read करना या play sports play करना. दोनों किया तो भी चलेगा, एक only one किया तो भी चलेगा. Let us check each region. What is this 13 number region? This is the people who read books only. Should they be considered for this given question? Number of students who like to read books or play sports. Read books or play sports means anyone, at least one doing is fine. Both doing is not like mandatory. At least one of reading books or playing sports activity they should do. So 13 people should be included now because they do only read books. That is totally okay. And what about this 15? They do play sports only. They play sports only. And should they be included? 1 second, there is some technical issue. So the 13 should be included. What about this 15? They do play sports only and they should also be included now because they read books or play sports. So that is satisfied. They do at least one of those activities now. What about this 44? They read books and play sports only. They do both. If they do both, they can be included in read books or play sports now. At least one activity is what we need. At least one means both activity also is okay. Both are also okay. So 44 is also fine. What about the 7? These are the people who read books, play sports and watch TV. If they extra watch TV, that is not our problem now. They still read books or play sports now. At least one of it is anyway satisfied. So definitely the 7 also should be included. What about this 12? These are the people who read books and watch TV only. If they watch TV, that is not a problem. Still they read books now. At least one of these activities they are doing anyway. At least one of these activities they are doing anyway. So this 12 can also be included. What is the 17? They are the people who play sports and watch TV only. Yeah, they watch TV, so what? They still play sports now. So they can be included. At least one they are including in that. So all these areas we need. All these areas added will be the answer. All these numbers added. 13 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17 plus 44 plus 7. When you add it, you will get 108. Or in other words, question is asking, read books union play sports. Number of read books union play sports. Here you cannot use the union formula because union formula can be used only if circle total values are given. Here total values are not given, individual values are given. So read book union play sports means union of all the elements in both these circles. Logically you can understand that way. That is adding all these values, that is 108. Hope all of you understood how 108 is the answer. This was GATE 2016 problem. Yeah, I think I'm hiding the screen. GATE 2016. Same question. If you want, I am tweaking the question. Can you answer this? If the question was like this, can you answer this? I have tweaked the question, same data itself, but I have tweaked the question. Answer this, please. Very good. Read books and play sports is mentioned. And means intersection. Read book circle, play sports circle, dono ka intersection region. This is the intersection region, na? That is 44 plus 7, 51 will be the answer. Not 44 only, 7 is also included. Because they do read books, play sports. They do read books and play sports, and they do watch TV also. That is okay. I hope all of you understood it. So 51 will be the answer. 44 plus 7, 51. One more version of this. What about this? Read books and watch TV. I'm trying to make you more confident in this area. So try these questions and answer. Read books and watch TV. That means read book circle, watch TV circle, intersection. Intersection means everything in the intersection. Everything in the intersection of read books and watch TV. That is 12 and 7 both we need. Not only 12, 12 plus 7. 19 is the answer. Option C, not option B. Option B is read books and watch TV only. If the word only was there after watch TV, then I agree 12 is the answer. Read books and watch TV only. Two things only doing, people. But here it is told read books and watch TV means read books, watch TV and play sports people also can be included. So 12 plus 7, 19 is the answer. So that way you can make different questions out of it. Then try this GATE question, 2019 GATE problem. Yeah, all of these are not Venn diagrams. Some are actually Euler diagram form, but both are same itself. Logic is the same itself. It's a representation of sets. Try this. On 1.5 minutes I will give you easy one. Some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. Okay. In the given diagram, teachers are represented in the triangle, researchers in the circle, and administrators in the rectangle. That means everything inside the triangle are teachers, everything inside the rectangle are administrators, and everything inside the researchers are circle are researchers. So teachers are actually 70 plus 10, administrators are 10 plus 20 plus 20, and researchers are 20 plus 40. But there are common regions also. Now, out of the total number of people, so total number of people chahiye to ye distinct regions. All these are distinct regions because it is drawn inside, not outside. So 70 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20 plus 40 add किया तो total number of people मिलेगा. That is 80, 100, 120, 160 total people. Out of total 160 people, percentage of administrators. So what is the number of administrators in this 160 people? Administrators are this 10, 20, 20 added na. This rectangle region. That is 10 plus 20 plus 20, 50 people. So 50 by 160 into 100 is the question. 50 by 160 into 100. Mendel math पता है तो you can use Mendel math. नहीं है तो virtual calculator use करके simplify करिए. Simplify किया तो 31.25 मिलेगा. 31.25 percentage. It is 50 out of not 100. It is 160. So 31.25 percentage is between which range? 31 to 45 na? Yeah, it has just crossed 31, but it is between 31 to 45 only. So option C is the correct answer. सबको clear है ये? Administrators total number of people में कितना है, that is a question, और कितना percentage है, मतलब administrator number divided by total number into 100 is the question. So 31.25 option C is the answer. Then let's see these kinds of question that is frequently asked in GATE exams and other competitive exams also. Most common type where Venn diagram is a tool to make the question simple. Without Venn diagram also you can use this is a set theory based question, but Venn diagram is the easiest tool to understand the question here. After practicing few examples with Venn diagram, you can even avoid Venn diagram in these questions, but for that you need good practice so that you won't make any mistakes. Try it, all of you. 2 minutes to try. All of you try, please. As if you are watching this session, if you are feeling that this session is useful and this course is useful, do hit the like button and do comment on this video. That is a very good way to know YouTube, to make YouTube also know that this is a course to be recommended to more people, and that is how these kind of courses can be more in this platform. And I will also be encouraged more to invest more time on this free YouTube channel. So make sure your friends are invited, make sure you are liking this video, make sure you are commenting on this video only if you liked it, only if you felt this content is good. If the content is not good, don't recommend it to anyone. So try this, all of you. Any answers? The option some of you got. Okay, so I'll start explaining. In a company, 35% of the employees drink coffee, 40% of the employees drink tea, and 10% of the employees drink both tea and coffee. What percent of employees neither tea nor drink coffee? That means total employees are 100% because it's a comparison. Na? The total employees are 100%, or you can take an example, 100 people are there. Then 35 people drink coffee, 40 people drink tea, and 10 people drink both tea and coffee. So that can be represented in a Venn diagram like this. Is this clear? A Venn diagram clear hai ya nahi? Total 100% में coffee 35% पी रहा है और tea 40% people पी रहा है. So tea and coffee 10%. Question is asking neither tea or coffee means coffee or tea circle के बाहर. This is our required unknown x. So let x be the required unknown. So outside this to find the easy way is you find what is inside the circles. That is coffee union tea you find. Subtract it from 100%. That will be this outside circle region. Na? Logically you can interpret like that. If you are not understanding that way, you can write it like different sets. What are the three type of people here? The people who don't drink any beverage, no beverage drinking people, one beverage only drinking people, only one beverage drinking people, both beverage, that is tea and coffee drinking people. All these together is 100%. Now, no beverage drinking people is our required unknown x. Let x be that required unknown. So one beverage drinking people will be how much? 35 minus 10, 25%. Tea only drinking people, and 40 minus 10, 30 percentage tea only drinking people. That 25 plus 30, 25 percentage plus 30 percentage, 55 percentage will be one beverage only drinking people. Okay, I think I am hiding that part where I have writing. I will write down once again. One beverage drinking people will be 25 percentage plus 30 percentage, 55 percentage. And both beverage drinking people is directly given us 10 percentage. ये तीनों ऐड किया तो 100 परसेंटेज मिलना चाहिए. मतलब ये x percentage plus 55 percentage plus 10 percentage is 100 percentage. That is 65 percentage plus x is equal to 100 percentage. That is x is equal to 35 percentage. That way you can find it. But in my opinion, you can directly do it without writing any of these steps. How? That also I will repeat one more time. A coffee 35, tea 40. So 35 plus 40, 75 percentage people are there. But in this, we have counted 10 percentage 2 times. So you have to subtract it so that we get the number of distinct people present here. That is 65 percentage people are already covered in coffee union tea itself. इसके अंदर 65% people है. So बाकी people इसमें होगा ना, ये x होगा ना, मतलब 100 percentage में 65 का बाकी कितना है, 35 है ना, so that they both can be added to get 100 percentage. So 35% is the answer. That is a easy way. The double counted region you can avoid. That is a easy way. All of you understood? Then try this question. 2016 GATE exam problem. This was. All of you try it. In GATE exam, these kinds of questions was asked many times. I'll show you as many examples as possible. I'll give you 2 minutes to try. All of you try, please. Option C. You can use the same idea like previous question. 150 faculty members, 55 are connected through Facebook, 85 are connected through WhatsApp. 30 faculty members do not have Facebook or WhatsApp. The number of faculty members connected only through Facebook accounts is. How you can represent that? Total 150 people. Facebook 55, WhatsApp 85. Not Facebook, not WhatsApp 30. So here question is asking Facebook and WhatsApp people. So here also you can logically think. ये 150 में ये 30 के बाकी 120 होगा ये यूनियन. ये यूनियन 120 होगा ना. आई एम फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग द लॉजिकल वे. ये 120 है, 30 के अलावा बाकी 120 पीपल है. लेकिन ये 55 और 85 ऐड किया तो 120 से भी ज्यादा मिल रहा है. 85 प्लस 55 ऐड किया तो you are getting 140. That means 20 people are extra counted. That extra counted people should be the required unknown x now. Are you understanding? Sorry, x is not the required unknown, but we need x to find the final answer. This x will be 20. Did you all understood how to logically find it? 55 plus 85, 140. 140 plus 130 किया तो भी चलेगा. 130, 170. लेकिन 170 नहीं, सिर्फ 150 people है. There are only 150 people. So extra 20 people are the people who have counted twice. Who were counted twice. That is this region only. That is the only region that is counted twice. In Facebook 55 also they are counted. In WhatsApp 85 also they are counted. So that 20 people we found, that is 20. But what is the final question? Number of faculty members connected only through Facebook. Only Facebook. This is our required answer. This is 20. So 55 minus 20, 35 will be the final answer. Now, all of you understood this? Option A, 35. Why? 65 will be the only WhatsApp people, but 35 is the only Facebook people. Some of you got 65, that is wrong. That is only WhatsApp people is 65. This is 65, but that is not the question. This is the question. All of you clear? If so, let's go to the next question. These kinds of question, again, if you want to do mathematically, you have to write sets. Different type of set is no social media using people, one social media using people, both social media using people. No social media using people are 30. One social media using people will be 55 minus x plus 85 minus x, and both social media using people will be x. ये तीनों ऐड किया तो टोटल 150 मिलेगा. ये तीनों ऐड करके इक्वेशन बना के you can solve it to get x. That will also give you the same answer. But this is time consuming. If you are already understanding logical method, that is better. Again, this is a GATE 2020 problem. All of you try. Those of you missed any of the previous classes in this course, in the description of this video you can get the link to access all the previous lectures. The playlist is available there, and all other free resources. The study materials of all the previous classes are available in the dedicated Telegram channel associated with this course. That link is also there in the description of this video, and that is tagged in the chat also by the team. So that way you can be part of it and invite more of your people to that groups. There is a free initiative. Let more people be part of the free initiatives I'm offering. Some of you already got the answer. Okay, so in a school of 1000 students, 300 students play chess and 600 students play football. If 50 students play both football and chess, the number of students who play neither. So this is a Venn diagram you can form. Chess played by 300 people, football played by 600 people, chess and football played by 50 people. Total 1000 people are there. We need to find neither chess nor football playing people. That is our required unknown x. Are you getting the point? So this 350, you can actually do this either mathematically or logically. Logical way we will first think. Chess, football, 300, 600 people already there. So in that 900 people, you are counting 50 twice. So you have to subtract once. Otherwise that is counted twice. Now. We want to know distinct number of people. 850 people are only there in the union of chess and football. Union of chess and football, 850 people. So 1000 minus 850, 150 will be the answer. Now. Because what is outside the union is not in the set. So 150 is the answer. All of you clear? Please respond. Otherwise, you can write like this. This is the mathematical way. Ye 300, ye 50 hai to remaining 250, and this is 550, 600 minus 50. So you can say no game playing people, one game playing people, both game playing people added together is 1000 people. No game playing people is required unknown x. One game playing people is 250 plus 550, that is 800, and both game playing people is 50. So 1000 minus 50 minus 800, 150 is the answer. That way also you can do. Then try this 2010 GATE exam problem. I will give you 2 minutes to try. All of you try. Okay, many of you got an answer. So 25 persons are in a room. So total number of people are 25 in number. 15 of them play hockey. Hockey 15. 17 play football. 17 football. 10 play hockey and football. So this is 10 people who play both hockey and football. Then the number of people who play neither hockey and football. So this is the region X, required unknown. Just like previous question, no difference at all. 15 plus 17. Now you can do logically more. That is better. So 32. In that 32, 10 is counted twice. So 22. All of you are following this logical method. Na? Logical method, the good thing is you don't have to write any steps. And after a point of time, you can even avoid the Venn diagram also. Venn diagram is like you are learning with like extra wheels. To learn cycling, first you add two extra wheels. But after a point of time, you can remove that wheels when you are very good at cycling. So same thing. Venn diagram, first you can draw with Venn diagram. After a point of time, you can avoid Venn diagram also. It's a visual method or visual tool to help us understand the question better. So सबको clear है ना? 3Q answer है. If you want to mathematically do it, you have to write this is 5, this is 7, then 5 plus 7, 12, and plus 10 plus x is equal to 25. Exactly, Swati. So that way also you can do. And now try this question. This was the latest GATE exam problem, which is little more lengthy. And the problem here is there is 3 objects. So draw a 3 object Venn diagram. That is a difference in this question. Or I'll do one thing. I'll show you little more easy version first and then come back to this question. Just a minute. Try this GATE 2019 problem where 3 objects are there. Any answers? Yeah, in 3 object case, maybe drawing Venn diagram is better than to logically look at it because there are chances to get confused. So I'll explain. In a sports academy of 300 people, 105 play only cricket. The word only is there. That is why Venn diagram is better. Otherwise, you can use this union formula for 3 objects. That also I will show you for another question. The total 300 people, only cricket is 105. Only hockey is 70. Only football. Third object is also there. So third circle also should be drawn like this. Assuming that there will be some intersection between cricket, hockey, football and all 3. That is why it is better to draw. When 3 object case is there, you have to draw 3 circles, 3 circle like this first of all, and then start entering the values. 3 circle means, 1 second. First you need to do, I know all of you know it, but in case you don't know it, first draw 3 circles like this, so that all the intersections can be denoted easily. So anyway, 105, 70, 50 clear hai na? 25 play both cricket and hockey. 25 play both cricket and hockey means they are in cricket and hockey playing people. 25. 15 play both football and hockey playing people. And 30 play both cricket and football. 30 play both cricket and football. This is that region. Yeah, actually there the word only should also have been mentioned to get more clarity, but to avoid confusion they have used the word rest. Rest of them play all three sports means this X is the remaining. All these are distinct regions, that is ensured. So all three playing, all three circle intersecting region is X, or that is unknown to us. What is the percentage of people who play at least two sports? कम से कम दो sports play करने वाला people कितना है? कम से कम दो people means percentage of people means total 300 में at least two. At least two means two game playing people or three game playing people. Two game playing people we already know na, 25 plus 10, 30 plus 15. 25, 30 plus 25 plus 15. Did you all understood that? That is 70 people. Plus, what is all the three game playing people number? That is what we need to know. As this is a sports academy, no one plays zero sports. So this is anyway zero. People who play no sports is zero. That means this 300 should be sum of all these distinct regions. Na? That way you can find the value of X. How? You can say that 105 plus 70 plus 50 are the people who play only one sport. 25 plus 30 plus 15 are the people who play only two sports. And X people added is equal to 300 because no one who plays zero sports. तो ये सब ऐड करके चेक करिए 105 plus 70 plus 50 120 225 plus 70 plus X is equal to 300. 295 plus X is equal to 300. That is X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 we got. So 5 you can enter here. That is 75 by 300. That is 75 by 300 into 100. 25% it is. 25%. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. Otherwise there is one more way. I will tell you one more way that may save a little more time. At least two sports playing people is what is asked. So one sport and zero sport playing people we don't need. So reducing that also is a method. Complement approach. Total minus exactly one sport playing people. Exactly one sport playing people. Complement idea. That way also you can find at least two sport playing, because if you list it out, no sport, one sport, two sport, three sport are the four category. No sport is already 1, 0. This is 0. One sport is 105 plus 70 plus 50. So from total, if you subtract these two, you get at least two sport. Na? Maybe that will save a little more time. At least one sport playing people is 300. Sorry, 225. When you add it up, that 225 you subtract 300 minus 225. 75 people who play at least two sports. Percentage is asked, so 75 by 300. 75 by 300 is 1 by 4. In my previous Mendel math class, I told you 1 by 4 is clearly 25%. All of you understood this? How option B is the answer? Easy na? 3 objects are there. Question is lengthy, but it is same idea itself, extending to 3 objects. So try this then. Another question. 2019 problem. Make a try. Yeah, the admit card for GATE 2023 is released. So do check it out, and all the best for your exam, and hope I am doing my part to help you out for the upcoming exam. There is only 4 more lectures in our quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, that is non-verbal ability. After that 10 lectures I am planning for verbal ability, completely free itself. So before your GATE exam I will finish it. That is why even if without the interactive board, with extra slides I am making it for making you understand, because in the interactive board it is easy to draw, but without interactive board it is very difficult. That is why I'm preparing extra slides so that we can compensate for that studio experience. Thank you, Amit. And after your exam, please do let me know how did you do the aptitude section. Whether it was very good, whether it was not very good, all are fine. But please let me know. I will love to know. Most of you are preparing for this February exam itself. So to those people, I'm telling, after your exam, and if you remember any question, that also you can send, so that I will plan some memory based question discussion session also on the same day of exam, evening time. Maybe I can take a YouTube live if you people are sending me questions. It will be useful for those people who prepare for the next day's exams also, because all students, all streams, aptitude section is common only, but as the exam is conducted on different dates, um, different question papers will be there of all the same type. Some of you got C option. Okay, so in a college there are 3 student clubs. 60 students are only in the drama club, 80 only in dance club, 30 only in math club, 40 students are in both drama and dance club, 12 are in both dance and math club, 7 are in both drama and math club, 2 are in all clubs. 75% of students are not in any of these clubs. The 75% of total X, if X is the total number of people, 75% of X is outside all the clubs. That means 25% of X is the union of these 3 clubs: drama club, dance club and math club together is 25%. This total 100% of X, 75% is outside all the 3 clubs. So the union of these 3 clubs are 25% of X. Keep that in mind. Now 60 only drama, 80 only dance, 30 only math is given in the question. But be careful here. 40 in dance and drama means the 2 who are in all 3 clubs reduced. 38 will be dance and drama only. That is the thing that you should be clear about. This 40 is actually sum of this full intersection. Usme 2 is actually in dance, drama and math. This 2 students in all clubs. First represent that. Then 40 minus 2, 38 is dance and drama only. Similarly, 12 in dance and drama, dance and math means dance and math total 12 intersection. The 2 subtracted 10 is dance and math only. We are writing only distinct values so that there is no double counting. 7 students in both drama and math. Drama and math both is 7. So in that 2 subtracted 5 is dance and drama only. Are you all understanding this? Then question is asking the total number of students in the college. X is what is asked. So this, as I told, this is 75%. Remaining 25% is this union. That union you can find by adding all these values. Now 60 plus 80 plus 30, that is 1 club only people. 60 plus 80 plus 30. 2 club people will be 38 plus 5 plus 10. 38. This 38 plus 5 plus 10. And all 3 club people is 2 people. This 2 people. Adding it up is 25% of X now. And from that you can find the answer. 60 plus 80 plus 30. That is 140 plus 30, 170. 170 plus 170 plus. This is 170. This is 48, 53. And this is 5. Adding it up, you will get 25% of x is equal to 225. Mental math class I told you 25% 225 है तो 100% उसका 4 गुना होगा. डबल करना 225 का डबल 450 का डबल 900 होगा. नहीं है तो 25/100 x equal to 225 मैथमेटिकली भी कर सकता है. 1 एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप करना पड़ेगा बट नो प्रॉब्लम. So anyway, 900 will be the answer. How many of you understood 900? This is 3 object case. Okay, Shruti. Yeah, that is the trick they have used. They know that students will misunderstand this 40, 12 and 7. This is yeah, this you check. This is a slightly different question. Try it carefully. I'll give you 2 minutes to try. Today 6 p.m. there is a free lecture on finding the X chapter. So if you want extra practice on linear equation type questions, word problems, you can attend today 6 p.m. YouTube live. That is in the Unacademy free platform in the YouTube channel itself. It's a completely free class. GATE exam, NET exam and other exams के लिए very useful होगा वो. I'm taking now common topics of CSIR and GATE in the Unacademy classes also, so that till your GATE exam you get more practice. Today 6 p.m. YouTube live. If possible, I'll share the link. Team, if you can find the link of today's 6 p.m. class, do share it in the chat. So all of you draw the Venn diagram first. After that, I will explain how to do this question. Here, what is the difference from previous questions? Chemistry 329, that is full chemistry circle is 329, full physics circle is 186, full mathematics circle is 295. Unlike previous questions where it was only mentioned. Are you understanding the difference? In the previous question, 60 students only in drama. That means this was 60, not this. This was actually 60 plus 38 plus 2 plus 5. 60 plus 38 plus 2 plus 5 means 100 plus 5, 105. That is drama. That 105 equivalent is given 329. Are you understanding the difference? That is a major difference between this question and previous questions. This 329 is full chemistry region, full chemistry circle. 186 is full physics. Mathematics is full 295. Understanding? And now chemistry and physics. Chemistry and physics means it is not chemistry and physics only. Chemistry and physics intersection fully. This intersection fully. That is 83. That is 83. And chemistry and mathematics, this fully is 217. And physics and mathematics, this fully is 63. In that case, using your normal logical way will be time consuming. Very time consuming because we have many things unknown to us. ये unknown है, 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 ये भी unknown है. It is very difficult to do that way. It is possible but time consuming. That is where the union formula comes into play. For 2 object case, I told the union formula that can be extended for 3 object also. Chemistry union physics intersection math will be n of chemistry number plus physics number plus maths number minus chemistry and physics minus physics and maths minus chemistry and maths plus chemistry intersection physics intersection maths. Due to lack of time, I am not explaining the reason why the equation is like that. Union formula A union B union C is equal to A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus A B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. The derivation of that formula, for the time sake, I am skipping due to lack of time. Okay, so anyway, substitute this. N of C means chemistry number. Chemistry number is 329. Physics number is 186. Math number is 295. Chemistry intersection physics number, that is 83. Na? Chemistry intersection physics, that is fully intersecting. Physics intersection math number is 63. And chemistry intersection math number is physics intersection math number is 63. Yeah, the order is just changed. This should be left. Chemistry intersection math should be left, and that is 217 minus 63. Plus chemistry intersection, physics intersection maths is our final answer. Taking all three subjects, required unknown को x assume किया, so plus x. अभी ये equation को simplify किया तो answer मिलेगा. Did you all understood this union formula? Two object case union formula was easier. This is also same idea itself, but as it is three objects, there is more things. That's the only difference. All clear? So these are the different types of problem asked in this section. I will give you one more question as homework. Try this GATE 2015 problem. Similar to what we discussed. The Venn diagram is already mentioned. You can go through it and get the answer. And this is another question. Same idea itself, but the numbers are very big. 630,000 or 6,30,000. There also you can just write 630k. 330k, 250k, likewise, and use the union formula I taught you. These were the questions asked in GATE exam from this area. All the questions asked from this area I have shown you. The two homework questions also you try, and yeah, this was also there. This also you can try. Same idea itself. 2022 was asked. Same idea itself. No difference at all. Union formula and Venn diagram. These two things only are needed in this chapter. And this also, through the Venn diagram, you will understand. Almost 5 questions are homework for you. Please try them. Same type as what we discussed. Yes, same type का question CSIR exam में भी आया था. Okay, we'll do this question and finish. Try this question. With this question, we will complete today's session. Yeah, today's 6 p.m. class link is tagged in the chat. Thank you, team. That is a link for today's 6 p.m. free class. That is finding the X chapter. Once again telling, all the free study materials I provide are there in the description of this video. Those of you are watching this live or recorded for the first time, you are welcome to be part of the free initiatives also. Okay, due to lack of time, I'll start explaining. 40 students watch a film. Yeah, be careful here. There is some twist in this question. ABC over a week. So the objects are ABC. So you can draw the Venn diagram. A watching people, A film watching people, B film watching people, C film watching people. 13 students watch film A. So total A film watching people 13. 16 students watch B. So total B film watching people is 16. And 19 people watch C. Total C film watching people is 19. So this data is very important. Each student watched either only one or all three. That means none of them watch exactly two. So these three are 0. Did you understand? CSIR exam में भी same type का question आया था. Professors who went to Chennai meeting, Delhi meeting, Mumbai meeting, there was a question like that. There also, every professor attended exactly 2 meetings, somewhat similar to this question. Here it is no people attended 0, 2 films. There it was the opposite of it, but the way you analyze or interpret the data are similar in both these questions. Anyway, that I will add in the study material if you want to practice that question. When I upload the PDF, you can see that extra question. Anyway, question is asking what? How many students watch all 3 films? That means this is our unknown X. This is our unknown X. So that means this 0 plus x is here, 0 plus x is here, 0 plus x is here. Now you can use union formula if you want. Na? N of This is 0 itself. So union is 40 itself. N of A union B union C equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C. N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of B intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So substitute that. N of A is 13, N of B is 16, N of C is 19, N of A union A intersection C B is X, X, X. Using the formula is not necessary. I am just making you practice the formula. And N of A intersection B intersection C will be X itself. And now substitute it. You can say 13 plus N of A union B union C is already 40 because this is 0. There is no one who watched 0 films. Everyone watched at least one film or 3 film. So 40 is equal to 13 plus 16, 29 plus 19, 39, 49, 48. Minus x plus x cancels, 48 minus 2x. So 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4. So option C is the answer. There are different ways you can, without union formula, if you want to do 13 minus x, this is 13 minus x. This is 16 minus x. This is 19 minus x. And then you can equate this, 13 minus x plus 16 minus x plus 19 minus x plus x is equal to 40. ऐसा किया तो भी same answer मिलेगा. थोड़ा complicated है Shruti, but if you are familiar with union formula, it is easy only. Union formula, without union formula, both way you can do. Without union formula, if you want to do, this is the way. One film watching people, all 3 film watching people added is 40. That also I will write it down. 13 minus x plus 16 minus x plus 19 minus x are the exactly 1 film watching people. All 3 film watching people is x. All the rest are 0. That is why I am not writing it. This sum should be 40. इसको simplify किया तो भी answer मिलेगा. That is 48 minus 2x equal to 40. Same thing itself. 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4. Are you understanding? This is the first method I taught you. This is the second method. I mean, when I discussed questions today, first few questions I told you Venn diagram draw करके different set identify करके add कर सकता है ना. That way is this what I have explained now. Lastly, I taught you the union formula. Union formula से करना है तो ऐसा कर सकता है. यहाँ पे सारा data हमारे पास available है. That is why both methods are okay. Both methods are okay. But कुछ क्वेश्चन में very limited information होगा, वहां पे union formula necessary होगा. That is why union formula भी familiarize करना है. So extra questions which I am giving, please go through it so that you get more practice. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you all on the next class today 6 PM. And plus students, the full length courses in Unacademy Plus is running now. Gate के लिए full length course भी चल रहा है, similar to this YouTube course. If you want to attend live, another course we have started recently is running in Unacademy Plus platform. 2 PM daily we run that course. Today 2 PM we'll be taking a new topic. Those if you are interested can join that also if you are already having Plus subscription, or if you want to take Plus subscription, that details also you can see. So that's it. Thank you.